In this video, we will see how the fit-up data is recorded and submitted for inspection by the subcontractor team, followed by approved by production. The submitted inspection request will be reviewed and inspected by the QC. Log in to the QM mobile app with your username and password. The currently selected project is shown on the top. To change or select a project, click project icon. Choose discipline by clicking on piping. Search and select the project. Click continue. The selected project is shown on the top. For recording the fit-up data using mobile, it is important to synchronize the data locally. Click offline and select master data fit-up/weld VA and submit. This will sync the necessary data that are assigned to the subcontractor who has logged in. Do this operation where you have good connectivity. Based on the permissions, the menu shown to the users will be different. The below is the menu for subcontractors. To record the fit-up details, click on RFI fit-up add menu. The joints in selected drawings are listed down. Toggle the joint to record the fit-up data. For each joint, enter the unique number for the components. Then select the WPS, click Save button. This needs to be done for all the joints. The data will be synchronized to server automatically in few minutes. Once synchronized to the server, the RFI for fit-up can be submitted by the subcon supervisor. To immediately synchronize to the server, you can also click on the sync data in the menu. The subcontractor supervisor can create the RFI fit-up request by clicking on the RFI fit-up create tool. Only the fit-up data entered joints will be available for the selection. Select the joints. The details can be viewed by expanding each joint and click create button on the top right corner. Select the location and click save. This will create the RFI fit-up request. Next, the production team needs to approve the RFI fit-up request which is submitted by the subcontractor. Only the production users will have access to this particular tool. Click RFI fit-up approval. List of requests raised by the subcontractors users are shown here. Click and expand and check the joint details, etc. And click the approve button to submit the RFI submit request for inspection. In the app, the inspection section is available only for the QC team. Okay, click RFI fit-up. List of RFI fit-up requests which are submitted and approved by the production are shown. Click the plus symbol to expand and see the joint details. Do the necessary changes and change the result if required and click save. Once saved, it will redirect to signature area and click on the signature pad and sign. So once signed, click save and click back. The data will be synchronized to the server automatically. With this, the RFI fit-up is complete. The approved joints will be available for AFI fit-up request. This will be done by the QC team.